Imagine waking up one day to find Bitcoin soaring past 10,000. Could this be the future? Or are we heading for another crash? With major financial institutions jumping in and governments scrambling to regulate, the Bitcoin revolution is far from over. But what's next for the king of crypto? Stick around, because in this video, we're diving deep into the future of Bitcoin, its biggest challenges, and why some experts believe it could either hit a new all-time high or face unforeseen obstacles. Let's get started. Bitcoin's current landscape. Bitcoin remains the undisputed leader in the cryptocurrency space, holding a dominant market cap and influencing the entire digital asset market. As of 2025, we're witnessing increased adoption from both institutional and retail investors. Companies like Tesla, MicroStrategy, and major banks are doubling down on Bitcoin holdings, signaling strong confidence in its long-term value. Meanwhile, Bitcoin ETFs have opened doors for traditional investors, fueling liquidity and stability. However, regulatory battles continue worldwide, with some governments embracing Bitcoin while others attempt to suppress it. The question is, will regulations push Bitcoin forward, or will they hinder its growth? Bitcoin's adoption and institutional involvement. El Salvador made history by adopting Bitcoin as legal tender, but other nations are also considering the move. The rise of Lightning Network adoption has enhanced Bitcoin's scalability, making everyday transactions faster and cheaper. Large corporations, from PayPal to Visa, are integrating Bitcoin into their payment systems, bridging the gap between crypto and mainstream finance. Moreover, BlackRock and other financial giants are backing Bitcoin ETFs, legitimizing it as an asset class. The more institutions invest, the more Bitcoin's credibility grows, potentially driving the price sky high. Challenges Bitcoin faces despite its growth. Bitcoin is not without obstacles. Governments worldwide are tightening regulations, and energy consumption concerns still persist. Environmental criticisms, particularly regarding Bitcoin mining, have led to increased efforts to shift toward renewable energy sources. Will Bitcoin overcome these barriers, or will they slow down its growth? Security threats, including potential 51% attacks and quantum computing risks, also pose long-term concerns. However, the Bitcoin community is continuously innovating, finding solutions to enhance security and sustainability. Will Bitcoin hit $100,000 or more? Many experts believe Bitcoin could surpass 100,000, especially as the next halving event approaches. Historically, every Bitcoin halving has led to a significant price surge due to reduced supply. With demand increasing, it's only a matter of time before we see new all-time highs. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates on Bitcoin and the crypto market. See you in the next video.